Ryerson Unmanned Aerial Vehicles is a growing company that creates customized robotic solutions for a multitude of applications from law enforcement to agricultural inspections. With expertise in engineering design and manufacturing, RyersonUAV provides a superior and reliable product that meets the customer's needs. With the aid of CAM and CAD software, RyersonUAV utilizes the latest manufacturing technology, such as CNC machining and rapid prototyping with 3D printers. In addition to our services, RyersonUAV also gives back to the surrounding community by engaging young minds on the new, exciting, and innovative ways that UAVs are changing the world around us. We pride ourselves on teamwork and inter-collaboration between a multitude of engineering disciplines to deliver you the best solution to your problem.
So mission description, rapid response times, and the ability to travel routes and distances that are not conveniently accessed by conventional methods make unmanned aerial systems a promising medical delivery method. Applications of unmanned aerial systems for medical delivery include shuttling biological samples between facilities, delivering medication to the homes and hospital rooms for patients, and reaching individuals in need of life-saving medical attention sooner than an ambulance can. The possibilities of UASs provide to the future of healthcare industry the potential to save time and save lives quickly. And so today what we're doing is we're simulating a situation in which we would be picking up medical supplies, because medical supplies is usually quite value dense. Like a blood bag is actually quite valuable, and it doesn't weigh a lot, but it is very time sensitive. You can't just put it in a fridge for a long time. It has to be delivered quickly. So assuming we have medical supplies or a vaccination, for instance, that we need to shuttle to a remote location, this is what we're simulating. So we're picking up packages of medical supplies in a depot, and so the depot is going to be located over there. We'll show you around. We'll show you what the depot looks like. Over there, we're going to have a depot set up. It's going to be that tent. I don't know if is that camera showing up on the live stream? That camera right there? No, not at all. Okay. Well, in which case, when we do go around to showing you the various different locations and whatnot, the depot is going to be that direction, and the clinics are going to be over there, and so that'll enable you to know, point A to point B, etc. What else do we got here? Yeah, I'd like to thank SIF for their continued support of our team. Student Initiative Fund, or SIF program here at Ryerson, provides seed funding to student-led initiatives. Without their support, this event would not be possible. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm thinking, so we're going to have to get the tent out before we start flying. I can do some interviews with members of the team in the meantime. These guys are still flying. We got Alex, Rebel, Kevin, and Mang. Eric is not here today. I'm the interviewer, Brian, Jeremy. Okay, well, let's start with Jeremy because you're right here. Yeah. So can the camera see you? Is all good?
No. Do you want to just turn it a little bit?
Sure. So Jeremy is running our live stream today.
Turn the middle. Okay.
It doesn't turn.
The toppy bit. It's fine.
Okay, it barely turns. It's very tough.
Okay.
The screen here is black. Is that all right?
Yeah. Okay. That should be fine. Yeah.
I see myself. Okay. So, and is the mic picking me up? How do we know?
This audio input line here.
All right. Testing. I don't see it jumping very much.
It's enough.
It's enough? Okay.
A little bit just to be safe.
Alrighty, Eric. So, sorry, Jeremy. So you're going to be the assistant captain next year, something like that?
Something like that, yeah.
Something
Mechanical
like that.
lead, mechatronics lead.
Very
Title
nice.
to be determined.
To be determined. And so you're representing the next wave of students coming in. So every year we're getting new students joining our club, and this year is a special year because we have so many members leaving. Here in the background, you can see we have me. I'm not going to be here next year. I'm graduated. Same with Kevin and Rebel. And so, because a lot of us are graduating, there's always new positions available. So, for the students watching that want to be joining our team next year, this is a great opportunity because we are definitely looking for people with, an interest and a dedication to drones first and foremost. Because as long as you have that initiative, as long as you have the drive to learn about drones, learning about them is a lot easier when you have that motivation. So you're running the live stream right now, and they can hear you.
Yep.
You're gonna commentate now and then, I'm assuming. So if you guys hear his voice.
Now and then when the timer rises.
When the timer rises.
You'll see some swapping feeds. So we'll have feeds coming in from each of our drones, as well as a zoom lens camera that'll be following some of the drones. We'll also have Ryan, who is currently operating our camera, who's going to be walking around with a phone gimbal to show some close-ups of the package pickup and delivery, who may also commentate if he feels so inclined at some point in the future.
All right, great. So might as well go talk to, let's see, let's go talk to Rebel next, and I'll bring him over.
Sounds good.
Are you gonna switch feeds to?
Do you want to just like rotate that camera and we can do the interviews over there?
No.
Hey Rebel, you want to do an interview? Not yet.
Okay. How's the audio? Is the GoPro picking up audio, or is it just your microphone?
Let me just flip this around. Sorry for.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Rebel. Hello. 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 What is your role in RUAV?
I'm Rebel Ephraim, and I'm the engineering lead of the Ryerson UAV team.
Awesome. And what program and year are you in at Ryerson?
I'm in my 4th year, and I'm in mechatronic engineering.
Nice. And how long have you been in the team?
Since 1st year, actually. Yeah, I've been here for all 4 years.
And what got you interested in the team?
I've already been interested in drones beforehand, and it just kind of felt like a perfect fit to just join this team and kind of take over a little bit.
And what has been your greatest learning experience with the team?
Testing, learning the value of testing, and that even when you think everything's going to go right, it might not. So you need to kind of beat it up and just constantly test until all the problems have revealed themselves. Really.
Yeah, definitely relate. We've been testing quite a bit,
Yeah.
and working out all those kinks, all the teething issues.
Yeah.
So that's a lesson for anyone who's going into engineering is gotta just keep on testing and testing and testing.
Coming to the field weekly, it pays off.
Pays off, and we'll see how well it pays off, but we think it'll pay off.
Yeah.
So what accomplishments are you proud of having worked with RUAV?
Finally getting a VTOL to work. As far as I know, we've never had a VTOL at this competition.
Well, let's spell it out for the new students that are joining. So a VTOL stands for vertical takeoff and landing.
Yeah.
And one of the drones that we're going to have flying later today, the drone that is going to be flying for distance is a vertical takeoff and landing drone. And its advantage, if you might know this, is that because it's a fixed wing, it's much more efficient in forward flight. And because it has a quad frame built into it, it can take off vertically without the need of a runway or much space at all.
Mm-hmm.
So what were the challenges with that? And
Mainly transition. Mainly getting that to work out properly to maintain level and to not just go crazy instantly. So yeah, it took a lot of trial and error and simulations, and eventually we got it working pretty reliably. So pretty happy with that.
And we're going to show off the results to you today.
Yeah.
In probably around 3 hours roughly speaking, depending on how things go.
We should get going pretty soon here, but we have to wait for the runway to be cleared. We're at an airfield right now, and there's a lot of people flying, so have to be respectful, but also this competition, so.
Yeah. Alrighty. Well, thank you very much, and we'll probably hear from you again.
Alrighty.
If you guys see the pilot in the background, that is Rebel flying those unmanned aerial vehicles. Alright, next up we have Kevin right next to us.
I think we're actually ready to set up the tent.
Okay then. I see Mang's still doing the tape, but that's fine. Okay. So we're gonna set up the tent now. We're gonna cut some interviews.
Or should I do interview when you guys set up? You have enough people?
You can go ahead and interview.
All right, cool. Never mind. Here we are.
Hello, Kevin.
Hello, Peter.
How are you doing?
A little terrified.
So what's your role in RUAV?
I handle everything that doesn't fly. So the ability for the drone to move around on the ground
and the ability for it to pick up boxes.
Great.
Yes.
What program and year are you in at Ryerson?
So I am a part-time student, but I've basically finished all of my engineering stuff, electrical. If you count years, it's like 6 now, but like one was an internship, math.
Yeah. Okay. So, what got you interested in the team?
Well, I've always really liked electronics, but after a while, they all just kind of like sit there and compute stuff. Once you put your electronics on a plane, so much more can go wrong, and it's so much more interesting.
And what has been your greatest learning experience with the team?
How to manage a project. So, because like I'm on my way out, I gave some of my tasks to first year students, and so I have to they don't know the whole picture, so I have to kind of tell them what they need to do, but then of course I will leave out something critical that is obvious to me, and then that's wastes a whole lot of time, and just learning how to do that kind of thing, really helpful.
And what accomplishments are you proud of having worked with RU?
So everything. It's just been a wonderful experience. But if I had to pick one, it would probably be the arm grabber system on the VTOL. Because we have to lug around quad motor parts and actual airplane parts, gives us very little overhead for driving and grabbing parts. So I like converted the hood into a part of the arm, and like carbon fiber rods. You'll see the whole thing on the video later, but it is very lightweight. Struggle.
Alrighty. And what would you say to someone interested in joining RUAV?
If you want a challenge, do it. You don't have to take on the world. You can just take on small tasks. And it's one of the best clubs I've seen at Ryerson.
Alright. Thank you very much.
All right.
Those were the questions. Thank you very much, Kevin. So, over there we have the tent being installed.
Alright, Brian, do you want to walk over and watch them do that with the gimbal?
20% battery.
Oh, sorry?
We're at 20% battery right now.
Okay.
We have battery packs, right?
Yeah, we have battery packs, so
Can you
we
go
should be
over
good.
the season data, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just come back at about like 8% or something, okay?
You can turn that off at some point.
We got ourselves a little tent here. Now we can't peg it down because we're on tarmac, but we got weights we're going to shove in here to keep the whole thing down. It's so low like this to keep the wind from blowing it away. That was a little bit of an issue with testing. We should be good. It should be clear that there's one entrance. So that's our tent box in there. It's going to be great. Great for QR code scanning. Don't mind me.
2, and 3. All oriented according to and our intent is of course 75 meters from the outside wall of Clinic 1. So just turn on the cord. We'll grab it later. Yeah.
So we did a few interviews. I don't think so. Hey Jeremy, are we on mic right now?
Yeah, we have mic on.
Okay.
So, Brian, you're good. To attach the battery pack, it should be over there on the... So, first now?
Yep.
Oh, this work.
So we did.
Use whatever, yeah. I don't know how this is gonna work.
I'm good. Yeah, we do that before. We call it. So when we're about. Yeah. Well, is the one who strength comes with. Get that.
I'm just gonna kind of go with this. Just gonna have to drop the gimbal. Take that to the man to put in his password. Sure. Okay. And just drop the gimbal for now. Alex, do you wanna start doing the Zoom camera? Alright, so now we're going to transition to our Zoom camera and double B feed.
like do that back wall. Back wall. Little red blinky record buttons. Sorry? Check the camera. See if it's the little blinky red record button on the screen.
Oh, yeah, the screen.
Yeah.
All right, it's ready. It's
Super.
recording. Meaning. And it's all good.
It's good.
Dimensions.
pretty close. It's legible. Yeah. If you give us 10 kilograms, I thought we're going to use it. Okay, we're good. Okay, official wing. Here we go. Teamwork. Is it? Oh, yes. We're a hair under. Oh, like 20 grams? Jesus. Yeah, like 20 grams. Yeah, removing that tape was a good thing. Okay. All right. Robel, which way do you want it facing? That's fine for now. Cool. Now I'm going to attach it to our.
Demonstrate is the audio. So right now we're going to demonstrate the failsafe of double B. Actually, we need to have double B in the double B. I mean, I guess. All right, so over here we have telemetry. Is this working? So vehicle arm. Radio. The vehicle goes into auto lands and disarms, and it descends at 14 meters per second, so it will reach the ground within 5 seconds. You want to show the parameter here in the. I mean, yeah, after it lands, it switches into stabilize. So, but yeah, it does say there no RC receiver and failsafe. It's kind of hard to see. A lot of glare. A lot of glare, but you trust us. Yeah, we can send you a little logs. Do it again. Do the test again. This time looking at that. I mean, you saw it. It turned off. So. Do it again, though. Let's just do it again. And this time, bring the camera over here and look at the. Hopefully less glare this time because it's. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you want to focus on the screen. All right, ready? Awesome. Get the vehicle's arms, the propeller rotating, it's powering off the system. There you go. And disarm failsafe, no RC receiver, and the rotors are off. And then if this was in the air, you'll go into land mode, correct? And then the descent rate is 14 meters per second. 14 meters per second. Okay. Ready? You sure you don't want to show the parameter? It doesn't show up on the thing. Oh yeah. Yeah. Okay. Next. Next, we can do the box.
Official envelope time.
It was right here. Right there. Right at the bottom. Yep. So you want to make sure you're capturing in front of the GoPro. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's in the GoPro.
Put it here. Oh yeah. Back before.
Closer, like right here.
So this is
and then tilt down.
Field, insurance. Captured. And then we have also this is our pilot's advanced remote pilot, remotely operated pilot system. Alright, so the way in, demonstrate the flight information system, demonstrate the land, we're going to do QR code
Now we're going for QR code attachment. I'm assuming.
Okay, good.
You're going to do the honors?
The honors?
No.
No.
Captain?
Yes.
Yes.
Do you have a knife or something?
Jeremy, where's Jeremy? I want to make sure this is captain.
Checking on I can hear the audio coming through the stream, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, we're good. Maybe a bit lower, like here. Yeah, it's the scan.
Yep.
Jeremy's running.
Don't trip.
Hey, just confirm it.
Yep, we're good.
So we don't open blah blah blah.
Don't cut yourself.
Closer. So we got task 1,
Task 2.
oh nice, round stickers.
Here are
Here are the bonus ones. Okay, so
We need task 4, task 1, and then the 4 bonus. Sorry, task 2.
Alright, so here we are. So ground person, ground system person.
Oh god.
It should be pretty easy because they're all stick on. Tell us if you need help.
This one has 2 tasks to review. Paper stickers. Yeah. Alright, that's one.
Wait, task 2.
Task 2, not task 1.
Yeah, let Kevin do
Good. Stickers. Okay, so we need task 4, task 1, and then the 4 bonus. Sorry, task 2. So it's ground person, ground system person.
God. Yeah, so Marta is 4 tasks 1. One QR code aside.
So as soon as these boxes are placed, we're going to start the flight.
Task 2, not task 1. Okay. Least stressful part.
Okay. Can we get ready for flying? Is going to start placing these for the flight windows into the coach. Okay. We're done. You're using the chair.
Bang, yell when it's done, okay? When the last one is placed, you yell, okay?
Or use your walkie.
You're gonna have to leave there though. You're gonna have to be out of there.
Yeah. Oh, here's the nice one.
So as soon as these boxes are placed, we're going to start the flight. Can we get ready for flying? Is going to start placing this for the flight windows in the coach.
Bang, yell when it's done, okay? When the last one is placed, you yell, okay?
Or use your walkie. All right, all good. Over.
Everyone's off the field. Alright, subsystem.
Bang, yell when it's done, okay? When the last one is placed, you yell, okay?
Or use your walkie.
Telemetry is good.
All right, all good. Over. So I'm gonna go left to right, and then I'll be up right to left.
No, yeah. Tell me spot one, clinic what? Spot two, clinic what?
First one red, clinic one.
Spot one, clinic one.
Alright, subsystem.
Bang, yell when it's done, okay? When the last one is placed, you yell, okay?
Or use your walkie.
Okay, I'll do the math for you. First one red, which is going to spot 4, is clinic 1.
Gotcha. Spot four, clinic one.
Second one red, which is going into spot 3, is clinic 2.
Okay, spot three, clinic two.
Third one red, which is going into spot 2, is clinic 1.
Spot two, clinic one.
Fourth one, back. Clinic 3.
Spot one, clinic three.
Correct. Alright, switching to
there? Sorry.
Switch into drive mode. Reminder. Near-ish. Back to drop off.
And spot for it.
That's clinic 2, that's correct. Okay, that's clinic 3. So that's correct.
Sat count is good, EKF is good, good to take off. Arming.
Clinic 3.
Spot 4, Clinic 3.
When I turn, I turn Clinic 2.
Spot 3, Clinic 2.
Correct. Third one red, going to spot 2, Clinic 1.
Spot 2, Clinic 1. What? Spot 2, Clinic 1? Yeah.
Yes. And the last one, which I managed to turn 90 degrees. Spot 1, fourth one red, Clinic 3.
Spot 1, Clinic 3.
Alright, now time to pick up these suckers. Switching to analog feed. Switching to secondary camera. Still in drive mode. Switching to pick up. Nope. Drop. Go forward. Go forward. There we go. Drive correct. Okay. Picking up box. Putting it in location. Switching camera. What's our time?
Our time is 17 minutes and 30 seconds.
After that. First box good. Switching camera mode. Switching to observation 1. Switching to drive. Okay, picking up box 2, going to location 2. Spot 2. Switch. Box 2 in the bag. Box 3 being picked up, switching to drive mode. Alright, picking up. That. Switching camera feed, location 3. Oh, that one's a little crooked, but we're good. Alright, auto center. Perfect. Drive, camera switch. Alright, box location 4, pick up. Pick up confirm, switching camera. Location 4, confirmed. All 4 boxes.
Kevin, come back. Sorry, Brian.
Yeah. Okay, driving, backing out.
It's like 16. 16 enough?
Satellite.
Yeah.
You need like 7 for a walk.
Technically, you can do it with like 2 and some tricky math. 3 is like nice. Yeah, only 2 if you need to know if you're on where you are on the
Okay,
ground.
everyone's clear off the runway. Telemetry is good. Tell me that direction you're facing when you're
Down the runway right now.
Yeah, down the runway.
Okay, yeah, y'all line.
Okay, turning off my system.
Okay, ready to go.
Arming.
Good to take off.
And we're off. A little wobbly, but the wobble worked out in the end.
Okay, clinic 1, spot 2.
Roger that. Which clinic has two?
Clinic 1, spot 2. There, clinic 3 has
Two boxes.
has 2 boxes. Yeah.
Roger that. Alright, so spot 2 you said.
Yeah.
Alright, switch your camera.
We're at 21 minutes, 22 minutes.
Okay. Grabbing box from spot 2. Up. Rotating. Dropping off.
Sit for this one.
Box dropped. Switching to drive.
Time is 22 minutes, 30 seconds.
Filter not quite working. The few that was doing some that. Doing those.
Just the look this time.
Alright, clinic 2.
Clinic 2 is spot 3.
Spot 3, clinic 2, draw box. Which way?
Okay, that's correct.
Brings us some pretty good notes from
Recording audio.
it's recording.
Don't forget to scan. Scan clinic 1 to make sure that the box is correct. You already did that?
Did they already do it?
I checked it, it's correct. Over. Thank you.
Clinic 3, spot 4.
Isn't it 2 of them?
Yep.
Okay, spot 4 first.
For some reason it's not scanning. Yep, scan 2. So that is correct.
Clinic 3, spot 1.
Spot 1. Center. That's clinic 3, which is correct. That's clinic 3, that is correct as well.
Oh, it's probably a honeybee ground.
Are you aligned with the runway, Kevin?
Yeah.
There's like 10 degrees offset. Should be good. Left or right? To the left. The left? Okay. Should be good. Yeah, it's on 10. Okay. Good? Yeah, good. Good to go.
Definitely be on visual. There's a tarp and there's a gun.
Nice. Alright, my system back up. Switching to digital. Turning on QR scanner, drive mode, waiting for the picture good, safety off, driving. So we're going to be going from the right to the left. First box will be the fourth one I pick up. Alright, first box is clinic 2, going into spot 4.
Spot 4, clinic 2.
Adding a blur. There we go. Box location 3, second one scanned, clinic 1.
Spot 3, clinic 1.
Clinic 3.
Spot 2, clinic 3.
Correct. Clinic 1.
Spot 1, clinic 1.
Confirmed. Or confirmed. Okay, switching to picking up boxes. Turning off.
Time is 30 minutes.
Switching to analog camera feed. Waiting for picture. Picture confirmed. Scanner on. Box. I'm just going to confirm that I'm actually. Okay, so we go off the okay, picking up box, going to location 1. Switch camera. Neutral, confirm, drive, switch camera. Box in light, wireless in the box.
You can radio Brian. Move in.
Yeah, hey, Sam.
No, you can move in.
Yeah.
Brian, you can get into the tent a little bit more to show things off if you want.
Oh.
We do have a camera actually in there.
Yeah, but to the left. Yeah.
It's all about our fans.
Focus. You got this.
Alright, alignment fine. Box.
You want to go over to him so he has a radio? So I can call you back with our show. No, you go over to him so he has a radio.
Stop making him sing. It's gonna go over.
Okay, this is the fourth one. Good.
It's the third one.
No, this is the second box.
No, second.
Nope. I'm the one. Oh wait, is it?
Yeah, focus. Yeah, it's, there's 2 boxes left. So.
Oh, switching to manual. box missile one. Got it. Oh, I have to also undo the clock. Yeah, there it is. Okay, nothing broke, nothing broke. Alright. Next camera feed. Switch to drive. Got them in the boxes. Fine, go this way. Alright, picking up, going to location 3.
We're gonna try to go for 5 rounds.
No, four is what we're hoping for.
Well, we're only at 32 minutes. So.
Yeah, and this is our
Just-
third
So to fly back afterwards. So. I'm sure it's good.
Okay. Switching to neutral. Box to 4, switch to drive.
It's a lot of fun. Yeah. Tell them to come out. Yeah.
Okay, Brian, come back.
That's the one that's giving us trouble, so.
Okay, fuel checks. 87% telemetry. Yeah, fluids, that's not good.
Number 4 is going to clean 2, correct?
Is that what's reading?
Yeah, because it just read it
Yeah,
as it was
okay,
going
good.
around, so that's perfect.
Yeah, it's good.
Alright, 4th box is in place. Return to neutral for the claw. Switching to drive. On my way out. Heading. I'm clear of the clinic. I'll just drive a little bit further and align you down the runway. Yeah, a little bit farther. Alright.
We're like 10 degrees to the right now, Peter.
Yeah, that's accurate. Yep.
Alright, powering down.
Okay, good to go.
Good to go.
Good to take off. Fine.
Go.
More shaky.
You're compensating for wind that wasn't there.
We have stream drop.
Should I?
Okay.
I'm just
Clinic
gonna keep
1.
going.
Just keep
Spot
going for
1.
now.
Okay.
We're still recording.
Okay. What's
Clinic 1, spot 1.
Alright, driving.
Where's the name?
Clinic 1, spot 1.
Yeah.
Drop off. I don't know where he is.
He's setting up a new block.
What about checking over?
Well, we'll be there.
Yeah. Okay, box drop off. Clinic 1 confirm. Driving Clinic 2. Here we go.
Clinic 2 spot from. Maybe it should be facing us, so let's see this.
Oh, wait, it should be back up now. go live again.
Awesome.
Alright, so boxes in the square.
Okay, what's being dropped off at Clinic 2?
Clinic 2, spot 4.
And then 2 of them in number 3.
Correct. No,
2 of them are in Clinic 2.
Should be
no,
dropped
2
live
of them
again.
are in Clinic 1.
I only dropped 1 in Clinic 1.
Okay.
You didn't.
It's alright, just drop 1 in Clinic 2 since you're there. So drop spot 2 Clinic 4.
Spot. Wait. Spot.
Clinic 2, spot 4.
Clinic 2, spot 4. Alright, I'll just leave them. Okay. Clinic 2, spot 4, dropping off.
You may, can you verify the last one again?
Alright, that's Clinic 1. It's correct.
Verified, thank you.
Okay, which one is closer?
I'll go green and loop back around.
Okay.
Verified, thank you. Over.
That's the second box. Over. That's Clinic 2. Over. Correct.
Verified, thank you.
Clinic 3.
Live stream roughly went to minute, and so I think it's gonna come up as a different link now. If people go back to the original, it should still take them in. Either way, the recording should go all the way through.
Clinic 3,
And so
spot
everybody's
2,
computer stream
drop
drop.
off.
See it. We'll see everything continue, and we'll see it come back up. So if
And then what is going to
on the page, it should go back up.
Clinic 1 is spot 1 and spot 3.
People are coming back in now. Checking your phone notes.
Spot 3 is the only one you're saying.
Yeah, just
There was internet connection that dropped, by the way.
So yeah, the like YouTube channel will still say like live streaming. I just do different thing.
Yeah.
Like other teams have had lots of drops.
That's Clinic 3. Correct. Over. As
Got
you
it.
guys can see, there's still one more box. We're going to drop that off in Clinic 1, scan that, and then we're going to leave and take off. Okay, copy that. Over.
Box 3 is correct, thanks. Over.
Next, repeat. Over.
They did say unlimited data, right? We get one day.
That must be what happened. You went above the 10 gigabyte or something.
No,
Yes.
I got more. It's fine. We can switch to mine.
You can stop in Slack and click on it.
Alright, back to Clinic 1. I'll pretend that there's one up in the northern part, so we'll put it down here.
Clinic 1, spot 3.
Clinic 1, spot 3, got it.
So pretending there's another box, just slightly lower. A little bit. Just
No, so I'm moving them. Put it in the spot.
time is 40 minutes.
So we need to be up there.
Okay,
Scan and then clear.
We've got spinning in the box.
Can you zoom in on it?
Kevin, tell me when you're aligned with them.
I'm aligned-ish.
Alright, got it, thanks you man.
Yeah, aligned.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, alignment tree's only 25.
Good?
Breeze clear.
Clear the runway, clear. Clear the runway. Clear the runway.
I'm about 5 degrees to the left, Peter. Up here. Yeah, it's showing like 15 degrees though.
Okay, so still with 10 degrees off. Fine.
For takeoff?
Yep, clear for takeoff.
Okay.
Okay, takeoff, over.
That's fine. That's what driving's for. Okay, system on. What else? On driving. Activating HD mode. Put in the center. Waiting for signal to come back. Okay, I'll be reading from the. I'll be reading from right to left. Same thing as Clinic 3.
Spot for Clinic 3.
Correct. Clinic 1.
Spot 3, Clinic 1.
Clinic 2.
Spot 2, Clinic 2.
3.
Spot 1, Clinic 3.
Alright, switching to analog. Right, color camera. First one's going to spot 1. Feed.
Time is 43 minutes and 30 seconds.
Okay, first box going to spot 1.
It's a bit late, but you should have
Yeah. Drive, that's actually really nice. Because it's not been an issue.
Peter, time.
Alright. Box 2 to pick up.
44 minutes and 30 seconds.
So we're like 2 boxes ahead of us.
Are you just playing average?
Just want to ask in chat.
Yep, switching to manual. That works. A little lucky there. Yeah, let's just go with that. Alright, that is the one we can fix that bug. Pretending it's dropping off. Center. Switching. I will say this is the most amount of ears I've gotten. now able to read it. I say good job to our programmer.
Brian, can I get out?
Looking back to center. Alright, he's backing out of here.
Tell me when you're on line with runway.
Yeah, I can try, that's like a flip shot, right?
It's better if you're just in line.
Well, too bad.
Okay.
Have to move.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah, it's in line.
Yeah, it's in line. All systems are good. Good to go.
Okay, firing off my system.
Army. I also have to put the hood on if you need it.
I actually don't need the hood. Actually, no, because I have to unplug stuff. Yeah, I've used the. What is that, Peter?
Time is 48 minutes. Ooh, I'm on the grass.
Good thing we planned for that. Because I can drive forward instead.
Something.
If you're going to have a hard landing, might as well be half on grass.
Was it hard? I wasn't even.
I don't know, you said it was a gust of wind or something today.
Yeah,
So
it must be backwards.
Clinic 1, spot 2.
how many boxes?
1 box system.
Okay, so it's 2 boxes to clinic 3.
Yeah.
Got it. Which box am I dropping off here?
So clinic 1, spot 2.
Clinic 1, spot 3. Roger that. Computer asked me about it.
50 minutes only.
Okay, so I can drop these off, so I'll finish these 4, and then you just fly back to home base.
Cool.
Because yeah, trying to pick up another box and drop it off. Okay.
What if we do like 1 or 2 boxes?
No. Going back to home base is essentially 1 box.
Okay.
So backing out of clinic 1.
Spot 2, clinic 2.
You're good to check clinic 1. Clinic 1, good to check box.
Brian, can you give a shot at clinic 1? Right. Got it. Got it, over.
Clinic 2, spot 2.
Clinic 2, spot 2, drop off units. Driving to clinic 3.
Got it over.
So we're not creating an dip around the box here, guys. No. We're just gonna whatever.
Spot 1, spot 4, clinic 3.
Okay, which
That's
ones?
right, they're right. So clinic 3 is spot 4.
Spot 4, clinic 3, drop off commencing.
What's the time?
The time is only, we have like 8 minutes left.
We have 7 minutes and 10 seconds left. I don't know about that.
We landed last time at what, 43, 44? We don't have time.
Okay.
Spot 1.
In the box, correct.
Spot 1, drop off commencing.
Well, Kevin's saying he can't do it, and he was the critical control.
Points, so.
It's 10 points.
Is it 10 points?
And getting back to the HQ is 1.
Time left?
We can do it.
I'll take 30 flights done in 6 minutes.
Correct, forward.
Being ambitious.
Got it over.
Okay, tell them to come back.
Tell me to get back.
You guys correct? Come back.
Take off right now.
Still doing the second box. We're still doing the second box.
They still have one more
Get out
box.
of there. Tell them to get out.
They
Now
need
go
one.
back.
They need to confirm the second box.
Got it, go.
Get out. Is it good, Tom? Tom's good?
Yeah, telemetry is good, everything's good.
You're good, you man. Get out of there.
Get out of there, get out. Don't worry about the box, just leave. Don't worry about the box, just leave.
Go.
Just leave, run.
Run.
God damn! Take off, Peter.
Take off.
You're good to go.
Good to go.
Go. Yeah. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's go for it.
We're up.
Whoa. Alright. A little too hot, but didn't get it.
Okay, gotcha.
Time?
Time is 55 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, there's everyone here. Right in front of it.
Brian, get out there.
Right. System driving.
Time left?
5 minutes.
Clinic 2.
Clinic 2, we're doing it.
Alright, so
Clinic
land on the
2,
left
spot
side.
what?
Clinic 2, spot 2.
Clinic 2, spot 2.
So
Insane.
let's see.
Recentering.
No.
Okay. Drive. Picking up. So off center. Over the line. Good. Picking up.
We got, let's see. And
Alright, just book it as far right as you can.
see the straight right. Straight right.
Driving back. Driving right.
Okay,
Just go drive forward if you want, Kevin.
Okay.
Telemetry's good.
Runway is clear.
clear.
We're at a safe distance. Okay, we're at a safe distance. We're turning.
Okay, powered off.
Take off. Arming.
There's a low battery line.
Oh, really?
Take us over to the landing site.
What's the line is that, right?
Clinic 2.
I mean, I can go to the 2, but the battery line's going off right now. 3.5 volts.
Let's burn the batteries. Go to clinic 2.
Alright, we're going for it. still working?
Seems so, yeah.
It's driving.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah,
That was my bad. I mean, felt some wind.
Well, what's the time? What's the time?
Time is 57:20.
Alright. Just reverse and then I'll take off.
Reverse.
Everything good.
Yeah, everything's good on telemetry.
Yeah.
Yeah. You have 1.5 minutes.
We're clear.
Okay,
Go.
Good.
In the grass. Yep. Oh yeah, she's definitely low. I can feel it.
Land.
Landing, yeah.
Time.
59 minutes.
Crazy.
All right. Powering down.
Yeah, you can check it now. You can check it.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
That's nuts. I would never have made that call.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Just in case I'm in the 16th, is that what we're doing?
Yeah, we do it. We did it. Oh, what's that? 210 points?
Hold it for a sec. Go back. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Yeah, we got it. Verified. Thanks.
So now, Mike's still on, right?
Yes.
Talk into this.
Yeah, hello, Mr. GoPro. So that was task 2, which we did first, and now we're going to do task number 1, which is a long-range flight. So this was bulk carrying of boxes, and well, I think it was quite successful. That was 4 rounds of 4 boxes, and then the last really quick round of 1 box. And drone landed successfully all in one piece, as you can see over there. So right now we're going to set up the long-range drone for a long-range flight, and that'll be in roughly an hour or 2, and tune back in then for the long-range flight. See how many laps we can get. We can get a lot of boxes. Can we get a lot of laps? Alrighty.
All right. Cutting in 3, 2.